Confidence has a formula. Yesterday was the deep dive. Today it fits on a sticky note. Here it is. Confidence equals small scary reps times recovery speed. Two variables. That is all. Let us unpack both. Variable 1. Small scary reps. Notice what it does not say. Not big scary leaps. You do not build confidence by quitting your job to give a TED Talk. And not comfortable repetitions either. Saying hi to your best friend 1,000 times builds nothing, because your brain already knows it is safe. The rep only counts if it is slightly scary. A question in the meeting. A phone call you would normally text. Telling the barber what you actually want. Each one deposits a receipt in your brain's evidence file. Did the scary thing, survived, noted. Confidence is just a fat evidence file. Variable 2. The one everybody ignores, recovery speed. How fast do you get back up after an awkward one? Because there will be awkward ones. That is guaranteed by math. The old you flubs a joke on Tuesday and cancels social life until Christmas. Slow recovery. So the rep count stops and the file goes stale. The trained you flubs the same joke, thinks, a rep, and takes another swing on Wednesday. The confident person is not the one who never faceplants. It is the one who is boringly quick at standing back up. And multiply matters. Reps times 0 recovery is 0. All the courage in the world dies if one bad moment stops the streak. So here's the practice. This week, 1 small scary rep per day, just 1. And when one goes sideways, race your own recovery. Say, that's a rep, out loud if needed, and book the next one within a day. Track reps, not outcomes. Outcomes are weather. Reps are the climate. Pressing subscribe, technically a rep, low fear, instant recovery, infinite value. See you in the next scribble.